What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can create your SHEIN account. So let's begin by opening the SHEIN account. In the SHEIN app, tap the Me tab located at the bottom right of the screen. In the Me tab, tap Sign In or Register on the top left of the screen. And here, click on Create an Account from SHEIN. Or if you want to sync your Google account or Facebook account, just click on that, which is for me easier. So you just have to authorize Facebook or Google account to be synced on SHEIN. And once done, there you go, you have now created a SHEIN account. Now, next, let me show you how you can manually create a SHEIN account. So let's click on Sign In or Create on the upper left corner of the screen. Now let's click Register or Sign In. Type in a mobile number or email address. So for me, let's just use mobile number. After typing the mobile number, click on Continue. A CAPTCHA verification will pop up. A verification code will be sent to your account. So wait for the verification code to be sent and type it in here. Now click on Sign In, and there you go. You have successfully created your SHEIN account manually. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.